Welcome to the channel, guys. It is official. The Marques are going on the vacation. Finally, we're fully vaccinated with the COVID vaccine. So we are going out and about, having fun and enjoying this 4th of July weekend. I look pretty good. So I am all Adidas today. Again, it is not sponsored by Adidas, but Adidas, if you want to sponsor me, hell yeah. So anyways, my fedora hat, okay, Adidas shirt, Adidas, it's a little hard to see, but Adidas capris, okay? And of course, I am also rocking some Adidas sneakers, and of course, Adidas socks. So guys, stay tuned for more. Keep on watching. Again, I do not know when I'm posting this video. Guys, I did forget. Stay tuned till the end of the video so you guys can find out exactly where we are going. All right, you ready?
Yes.
You ready?
Yes.
All right, we're ready, guys. So once again, see you very shortly. It's time for a break. Time to eat something. It is lunchtime. Let's see what's on the menu. Time to eat. And just like that, we just finished our kind of lunch. Excuse me. It's already after 1-ish. So it was lunch, right?
Yes.
Lunch. I had, you probably see it on the video, I know it was kind of quick because we were hungry, but I had the double Whopper with fries, and now we are back on the road. Not a good angle. There you go, that's better. We are back on the road. I feel full, right?
Yes.
Oh man, I haven't had a Whopper, and on top of it, a double Whopper on years, no lie, but it was good. It definitely filled us up. So back on the road, and we see what comes up next. I mean, I am vlogging as we go, so anything could happen. All positive, all good vibes. So see you very shortly. Guys, we have officially arrived and we are at Wildwood. This brings me back my childhood. 13, 14, 15 years old. I used to come here all the time. So let's turn around and see. Forgive me for the lighting. It's a little bit in the sunny side pointing at our hotel. Here's the pool. And we are so close to the boardwalk. That's also part of our hotel right there. But I figured being across the street would give us a little bit more privacy. So we're bringing the rest of the stuff inside. And for now, I'm gonna chill. Probably drink a cold one and see what's up in the boardwalk. So see you shortly. We are going for a walk in the boardwalk. Let's turn around the camera. Oh snap, not. Oh, Joaquin, you're watching this? That's for you, Joaquin. Back by popular demand.
Wildwood Convention Center.
Hi, Bruno. How are you?
Tell them not to forget to give the
Like it
and subscribe.
and subscribe.
Ha, see, mom knows.
I know.
Mom knows.
It's open.
Peace.
Yeah, it's open. Look, it's the center. It's the convention. Hey, let's be honest. Convention center. Definitely gonna lose some weight here walking. It's almost our birthday, guys. I never vlogged with the GoPro, so I have no idea how this is gonna turn out. So it's a little over 8:30. So let's see what happens. See what we're gonna eat. I saw Captain Jack's, I think it's called, CJ. I saw that looks pretty nice on the boardwalk, so I'm gonna go check that out. Happy 4th of July weekend, America. What's up, guys? So that's how we're gonna end today's vlog, and I'm using the GoPro right now, so the quality kind of changed. I'm gonna enjoy myself a cigar and relax and call it a night. See you on the next one. Peace.